All right, one other thing I did, I forgot to say. When I tore this apart, this bike only has a few thousand miles on it, and I don't like the way these bearings were wearing. So right here, I bought the Spears Racing oil pump spring to increase the oil pressure. Hopefully that helps. So I had everything torqued down. These bolts were a series, 3 different series of bolts. Then you have to torque them to 50 degrees. Slowly come together. Okay, here's a quick little edit. Here's the updated spring from Norton, the new shift star, and then also the blueprinted shifting shaft. Now this one is really tight. Hardly any movement other than, I mean, this is how this shifts, but hardly any movement side by side. Now here's the stock one. You can see this. That's how loose that one is. This one barely even moves. What it looks like, they push these rivets down, tighten up the gap, so you actually get a full catch on the shift star. Okay, yo-yo dyne clutch is installed. Blueprinted shift shaft, everything's torqued down. What I did is, this is a 2019, so the shifting rod, or the clutch rod, and the bearings are a little different, so I changed them out to the 2021. So the new bearing here, this is a little thinner. This is Kawasaki factory part. Of course I ripped it. Anyways, I pressed this out, heated this up in a toaster oven to 200 degrees, froze this, dropped right in. Now it's locked into place. But here is the stock bearing. Now this one came with the yo-yo dyne kit. Wasn't sure exactly what brand it was or how good it was. But anyways, I went with the factory Kawasaki part. So the new bearing is thinner. Stock for the 2019, 2000, I believe 20 or 21 is different, and this rod is a little different compared to the 2019. So this is all going in, hopefully get a little bit better clutch life. And of course, we got the $5 connecting rods. Got the clutch soaking in oil overnight. I'll get back at this tomorrow.